Why one eye look crazy? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm going to be talking about a very important subject: how to budget for your wedding. Hi, I'm Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and I am a floral designer, event manager, designer, extraordinaire. And I'm here today to give you guys some tips on how to budget for your wedding. So one of the biggest things that I've ran into when trying to help young ladies to determine what type of decorations they want for their wedding, they don't know their budget. Now, there could be two things. There could be they really don't know what their budget is, or two, they could be worried that if you tell me how much I want to spend, you're going to give me this crazy amount. Now, with some people, yes, but with floral designers and some other people, it actually helps to know what your budget is, because if I know what your budget is, then I know, what type of flowers I can use and what type of arrangements best fit you. Because if you tell me, hey, I'm getting married here, could you tell me how much something costs? I can give you a quote that's $3,000, and I can give you another quote that's $10,000. It just depends on what style of flowers I'm doing, what flowers I'm using. Quoting those Pinterest, sending you exactly how much it costs to get those Pinterest page looks. So it always helps to know what your budget is. So like for me, it helps me know, like, what do I need to use? Do I need to use more flowers? Can we use more greenery? What can we do to get to your budget? So today I'm going to give you some helpful tips on how much to spend on your wedding. So earlier I Googled what is the average cost of a wedding, and I found out that it was like $34,000. That's kind of neat. So I found that out. So we're going to use 34,000 as our number to calculate how much we're going to spend on all the items that we need for our lovely wedding. So first, we need to allocate 50% of our monies to our venue, catering, and rental costs. So when I say your venue, it's going to be the location that you're getting married. When I say catering, it's going to be the food. And then when I say rental, it's going to be like the chairs and tables and all that good stuff. Now, some locations, they give you all that together, and some locations they don't. Like me, my daughter's sweet 16 birthday party, we're going to rent out a warehouse because I want a blank canvas to turn it into London. So that's why, it's all included in everything. So with a $34,000 wedding, $17,000 of that will be used towards all those good things. And you know what? That's a nice chunk of money. So that's not bad. Now let's move on to 12% should be used for your photographer and videographer. Let's see, 12% of that, $4,800. That's a nice amount also. Find you a videographer for about $2,000 and a photographer for about $2,000, and you're on your way. You should have you some really great quality pictures. Now, let's go back to our total. 9% should go to attire, hair, and makeup. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my notes. Sorry. So that should go towards your attire, your makeup, and your hair. Now let's see how much that is. What did I say? A 9%? $3,240 goes towards that. that may be kind of low, but you know, it just depends on what's important to you. You probably can find you a really nice dress for about $2,000 maybe. Don't forget, you gotta also have it altered. Hair, you probably can get somebody for $2,000 to come out and make up, I'm sorry, $200 and make up for like $150 to come out. But the good thing with that is I would include all my girls, you know, all their hair and makeup done. Like, girls, you want, you know, let's put it all together. And you probably can come out cheaper to have a makeup artist and a hair stylist come out all at the same time. That also includes your fiance suit or tux rental too. So don't forget to include that. My favorite part, decor. 8% goes to decor. So let's get our total. 8%. Only $2,720. Well, I guess so. I guess my ladies are spending a little bit more on their event, but $2,000 could go a long way. I mean, you're not going to have these extravagant centerpieces and flowers hanging from the sky, but you'll have very gorgeous table arrangements. You could add chargers, upgrade the table linen, you know, because even though you can say, oh, I have a beautiful location, it's like this, you know, you're a beautiful young lady, but once you put on beautiful clothes, you feel even beautifuler, if that's a word. So remember that when you have a nice venue, you still need to dress it up. You just can't throw those polyester white tablecloths on the table and think your event is going to look nice. Kind of add a little flavor to it. Upgrade the linen. I wouldn't suggest upgrading it with the location. I would probably look into your rental company or your floor designer for them to help you with designing your table and all that great stuff. Now 7% goes to entertainment. Oh, and $2,380 is, I bet you it's gonna come out backwards. Does it look backwards? It's backwards for you guys. Anyway, focus. Anyway, $380. That's a really good amount for a DJ. Now, I don't know a live band. I would have to do some research on that. But you should be able to get a good DJ for that amount. Now, 3% goes to your wedding planner. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to work. $1,020. You probably can get maybe a day of wedding planner for that much. I think they run around $1,500 for a more seasoned one, but I do suggest that you do go with a day of wedding planner. A lot of ladies come to me and be like, oh, the venue has the planner. That planner is for usually they're more concerned about how the catering department is running than not your event. So I would be very cautious of that and go from there. So I will probably rethink about that amount. Now, next we have hate is a very exciting emotion. 2% that goes to stationery. $680. You can do a lot with that. You know, save the dates and the menu cards and the invitations. You probably can get away with something very nice, even maybe something even calligraphy, have a calligrapher write some stuff out for you. I think you can make it with that much. Now your officiant, $680. Yeah, you could do really good with that. Most places, I mean, I've seen some run $250 and then I've seen some $500 and up, so you'll be good with that. Now another 2% goes to transportation. Yeah, you probably can work that out. I think it's probably like $100 an hour for a limo service, but I just suggest you just rent something very nice for the weekend and you guys, you know, enjoy it that way. Wedding bands, that's not the big diamond we're getting, but the bands that go with that goes on top of that for him and you, that probably is $680 or 2% again, and I think that's doable. You should have no problems with that. Last but not least, 2% goes to goodies for guests. That would be another $680. I think I would skip that and put that $680 on to you know, upgrading tablecloths, putting charger plates on the table, upgrading napkins, and just adding a little bit more flair to your table arrangements, like candles and all that great stuff. So I hope this video was very informational when you are ready to start planning that wedding. Make sure you guys, you and your fiance, sit down and plan your budget, so that one, you guys know what you're working with and how much everything is going to cost and how you can allocate it. And like I said, or if I didn't say, you can always slide the scale to things that are more important to you. I usually, you know, pick 3 things that are more important. Like for myself, the location was very important to me, and the decor was very important to me, and the invitations. So a lot of my money went to these 3 things, and then I kind of skimped on, I spent a lot on my DJ. I kind of skipped on my photographer and videographer, which I wish I didn't, because but hey, I've never even looked at the video, so who cares? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and check out more videos on that. I'm going to be starting a new series on. I think I'm going to start doing some on what could go wrong at your wedding. Very exciting emotion. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hehehe